So if you've been following my channel, you know that I am a huge fan of the game Genshin Impact. So naturally, when I heard that PlayStation was actually collaborating with Genshin to come out with a limited edition controller, oh, you know that I was going to jump on the opportunity. So I did pre-order it, and I am excited because I ended up getting it today. And this is what the box looks like over here. I'll do some background footage to show everything that's around it. But I mean, naturally on the front, you got the limited edition emblem, you got the Genshin Impact logo, what the controller looks like, and essentially everything around the box is your standard information. But yeah, I am super excited. Like I said, I haven't opened it just yet because I was hoping that I can unbox it with you guys so then we can share this special moment together. So yeah, enough talk. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh, and here it is. Oh, wow. This is, I'll do a close-up on it so then you guys can see it too, but this is actually a beautiful controller. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can see it's like a cream and off-white color with like the gold and blue accents. Oof. Yeah, this is a beautiful controller. What's even better is the details that they go into this with, right? So on the left-hand side, you can see the earrings that Aether, the main one of the main characters uses. And then on the right-hand side over here is the Intivat that is in Lumine's hair. On the touchpad up here, you have their logo. You can see both Aether and Lumine in the background there with Intivats all around. And yeah, and if we take an even closer look on the actual sides of the controllers, you can see the pillars of Celestia. And oh my gosh, yeah, this is, wow. Oh yeah, and on the back we have the Genshin logo with little Paimon over there with the Intivats on either side of her. But yes, absolutely beautiful, beautiful controller. And this is going to be my go-to for anything Genshin related. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use it. This is so cool. This is so cool. I'm so happy right now. But anyway, before I keep going on and on and on, I wanted to share this experience with you guys, do a little bit of unboxing and a first look at the controller itself. And here it is. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and load the game up right now because I'm super excited to use this controller. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this little adventure. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and slap that like button and let me know your thoughts in the comment box down below. And you know what? Let's talk Genshin. Tell me who your favorite character is. Tell me who your main is. Tell me what you think about the latest patch. Just anything Genshin related. Let's talk about it in the comment box down below. If you want to keep seeing more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. That's it for me, guys. As always, I'll catch you in the next video.